Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Renuka Budhwani. Today I am going to discuss about what is law. So, in 19th century, John Austin propounded his theory that law has nothing to do with morals. He defines law as a command of the sovereign. He further said law, that is command alone, which is subject matter of jurisprudence. So लॉ एक कमांड है और ये कोई मॉरल वैल्यू से रिलेटेड नहीं है. और सबसे बड़ा पॉइंट ये है कि लॉ को समझने के लिए हमको जाना पड़ेगा जुरिस्प्रूडेंस में. इट इज अ सब्जेक्ट मैटर ऑफ जुरिस्प्रूडेंस. सो हमको इंटरप्रिटेशन करने के लिए लॉ का हमको जुरिस्प्रूडेंस को समझना पड़ेगा. वहां से हमें पता चलेगा कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ लॉ. Jurisprudence derived from Latin word that is juris prudentia. Juris means law and prudentia means skill or knowledge. The study of jurisprudence started with Romans. That means Roman peoples ने सर्च किया लॉ को कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज लॉ, और उन्होंने धीरे धीरे ये इवॉल्व किया कि एग्जैक्टली व्हाट इज लॉ. इट स्टैंड्स फॉर नॉलेज ऑफ लॉ. इट मीन्स जुरिस्प्रूडेंस का मीनिंग है नॉलेज ऑफ लॉ. इट इज द ग्रामर ऑफ लॉ. लॉ की ग्रामर जुरिस्प्रूडेंस है. Jurisprudence is also known as legal theory. It helps us to know what is law, what are the sources of law. In Old English, law is known as lege, which means it denotes kind of rules and principle which regulates human behavior. हमारी पुरानी इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में लॉ को लेग्यू बोला गया और उसका मीनिंग ये है कि इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ रूल्स है और प्रिंसिपल है जो कि ह्यूमन बिहेवियर को रेगुलेट करता है. इट इज़ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डिफाइन द टर्म लॉ. फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ क्लियरिटी सम ऑफ द डेफिनेशंस आर कैटेगराइज्ड आर एज फॉलोज. There were lots of jurists who was trying to define the definition of law. They had categorized the definition of law in this. The first one is idealistic, the second one is positivist, the third one is historical school definition, the fourth one is sociological school definition. Now the question is, what is idealistic? The idealistic definition, it means the definition which was given by the jurist have some of the idea of perfection. The next one is positivist definition. It means the jurist which had given the definition. These definitions were scientific approach. They define that the law is man-made law. The next one is historical school's definition. Under this school, the jurists define that the law is the gradual development of human practice. The next one is sociological school definition. It is a combination of positivist and historical school definition. Under this school, the law is made. In this school, law is found. So in this school, these both are, that means the law is made as well as the law is found. Our legal system is example of sociological school in which law is made as well as law is found. So in my upcoming class, I will going to discuss about the various definition which are given by jurists under these schools. Thank you.